Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to give a birthday shout out on Instagram. Now, this is quite a simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now, once you're here on the Instagram application, you can click on the top left corner on your story. After this, you can go ahead and click on the camera button, click on create. It is these two A's here. And now you can select a background for your birthday shout out. You can change the color by clicking on the bottom right corner. Just select whatever you feel like matches or is more appropriate for the person that you're wishing the birthday for. Once that is done, you can swipe right over here on the bottom to go ahead and give a happy birthday shout out. All you need to do is to put in their user ID. Let's say I want to wish a birthday to How To with Toots. This is the account. As you can see here, it is showing on the bottom left corner. Once that is done, this is how it look. Your profile picture on the left and their profile picture on the right. After this, you can post this as a story and everyone will know that you have given a shout out for their birthday and you're wishing them happy birthday through this story. Now you can add any other element that you want. All you have to do is to click on stickers. So yeah, once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and click on the arrow mark on the bottom right corner and then click on share. After this is done, you can click on done and that is it. We have now successfully given this person a shout out for their birthday. And yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.